everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, we are going to be having a jewelry haul. It has been a long time since I sat here in my makeup room and filmed a video for you guys. Today's video is sponsored by Italo Jewelry. Thank you so much for sending all these goodies and for sponsoring this video. I'm going to show you everything that they send me. We're going to unbox it together, review it, and I'll give you guys all the details on what I think about each piece that was sent to me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also happy 2021. We have so much to talk about. Pretty soon I'm gonna do an update, life update, and you guys will see all the things that I have been doing. But yeah, we'll leave that for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me show you guys what I got. If you're not familiar with Italo, they are a jewelry company. Gorgeous jewelry, oh my goodness, and the prices are amazing too. I'm gonna show you the packaging and everything. So it comes in a regular box. Inside the box you will get something like this, and inside there is a jewelry boxes. You also get a little bag, so like for example, if you're gonna give it to someone, your mom, your brother, your sister, a piece of jewelry that you order from them. When you order from Italo, you get either this box. Also, sometimes they send this too, depending on how many items you get. But for sure, when you order from them, you will get this little dust bag for your jewelry. And then you get instructions on how to take care of it. And you get a little cloth to where you can use to clean your jewelry. I wanted to make sure I cover that so that you guys know what you get when you order from Italo. The first item, I'm gonna start, honestly, they are all my favorite. I swear, this is my most favorite haul from Italo. I have done previous videos and every time is just, if you have seen my videos from Italo, you know that their jewelry are just gorgeous. Huge rings, statement rings. It looks fabulous. I'm gonna start with this. I'm actually wearing it. Look how gorgeous this ring is. This ring is so comfortable. Like, it doesn't feel bulky or nothing like that, even though it is really big. I'm gonna do a close-up so that you can see what I'm talking about. So stunning. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all that detail. So pretty. I'm gonna be wearing it all the time. I love this ring. Like I said, it's so comfortable. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about my new ring. I'm obsessed. Okay, moving on to the next item that I got. Alright, you guys, the next item is in this box, and as you can see, their boxes are so durable. So let's open it up together so that you guys can see what I have in here. I know we're really close and personal, but I want to make sure you guys see all the details. So here we have this gorgeous rose gold watch, and it has crystals. Even inside you can see that it has crystals. Look at that, so gorgeous. Then all around, or actually not around, just right here, just at the front. This is the packaging. Once again, Italo. It's a really pretty blue, and then when you open it up, we have another gorgeous ring set, and this one is pretty cool. This is not as big as the one that I'm wearing. You can see the difference. I'll put them side by side. But oh my goodness, you guys, this is gorgeous too. Look at that. Here you have it for reference. This is a little bit more delicate, I want to say. Look at that. And I got mine in a size 7. Again, both of them are so comfortable. Alright, so here we have them side by side. You can see the difference in sizes. Pretty similar, but of course this is a little bit more denty. And then super cute, you guys. And then over here we have this one right here that I was wearing. It's a lot more glamorous. Look at all those little details on the side. Oh, there you go. So here we have this style, and this is what I was wearing. Check out the detail. So gorgeous. My favorite, you guys. My all-time favorite ring from Italo. What I love about this set is that you get both pieces for your husband, your fiance, and also the wedding band and the engagement ring, which is so cool. Look at that. And they're so pretty, you guys. You cannot go wrong with Italo. Like, I'm telling you, the quality is amazing. And the detail, check out the detail. I need to do a close-up for this ring. Focus. There you go. Last but not least, I have this velvet box, which is so luxurious, so nice. I cannot wait to show you guys what is inside here. This is by far my most favorite piece from Italo. And then my ring. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, my jaw dropped. It was so gorgeous, and I wanted to save the best for last because that's what I do all the time. I save my most favorite pieces to show you guys at the end of the video. But okay, I'm talking a lot. Let me show you. You ready? Alright, let's hope I'm opening it right. Okay, yeah, I am. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. This necklace is so beautiful. No, my video doesn't do any justice of how gorgeous this necklace is. Let me take it out because this is the first time I'm going to actually take it out. Wow. That's all I gotta say is wow. I feel like the lights are so bright. This necklace is everything that I imagined, and the price is reasonable for what you're getting. I am so obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I will be styling this necklace pretty soon, because like I said, I want to keep it for something really special that I have coming up. So I'm really excited. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite item. Also, I will have a link down below for every item that you see in this video. Let me know if you would like to see another Italo jewelry haul. Italo has gorgeous jewelry, also affordable for what you're getting, and all of their pieces are so, I want to say, exotic. I mean, how often do you see a necklace like this? It is something very unique that you won't see anywhere else, and it's so glamorous. It's such a statement piece that I will have forever in my closet. I will let my girls play with it. Imagine this if it was real diamonds, how much it would be. I can't even imagine. I'm sure it would be so much money. Same for this ring, you guys. So gorgeous. This is one of my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite piece. Oh my goodness. By far, this two right here, my all-time favorite. I always get so excited when I get the opportunity to work with Italo because they have the best jewelry. Everything is just so gorgeous. I get so excited because I know it's gonna be quality. And you guys, just check out my ring. It's gorgeous. Same with the necklace. I cannot get over how stunning this necklace is and how it blinks. It blinks so much. It's just so pretty. I cannot wait to wear it and show you guys how I will style it. What I love about Italo is that you're getting the luxury feel for an affordable price. I will guarantee you will love your pieces. Everything that I have from them has been so gorgeous and is holding up so well. Nothing has fallen off from my experience. Wow, fabulous. Same with my ring. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you to Italo for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys on my next one.